Welcome to Namas University. My name is YESHUA. By listening to this lecture, you will be absorbing the vibration of joy and purity. The intention of this lecture is for people to blossom into their purest nature. Like Lord Maitreya, I, YESHUA, am here to mentor you on your way to 100% soul guidance, so that you can unfold the mission of your soul for the highest good of the earth and all living beings and kingdoms of this planet. Your personal development will even influence the entire cosmos. Have you been aware of this? Today's lecture is about you coordinating all the skills and abilities you have acquired at Namas University so far. You have learned a lot. You are certain and believe that multidimensional reality exists, and you listen to your inner voice. You know what your inner voice consists of, namely that it's the compound language of your soul, your body diva, and your spirit guides, which may include us master teachers, whom you've asked to guide and mentor you. Now, what do I mean by coordinating your skills and abilities? It's about your personal puja. It's about your regular ceremony. Your personal ceremony will establish a firm connection with your soul, with us, with higher dimensional reality, and with your mission. Your soul's mission is embedded in the web of all that is. Your mission is not linear. That means influences from all levels of being, from all dimensions, and from all realms which play a role here on Earth naturally enter your life and impact your life's purpose and mission. Back to your regular ceremony. How do you want to design it? How have you already designed it? My suggestion is write down the individual steps. What is your daily ceremony for connecting with yourself, your soul, and us? Do you have a fixed order for the individual elements? Who participates apart from you? Have you invited your body diva? Write everything down. Who else is involved with you in creating reality? What is the framework you have chosen for your ceremony? At what time of day do you do your ceremony? Do you do a ceremony at all? If you want to use a prayer, here's a suggestion. O Creator, please help me serve you and all that is. This prayer is universal. You are very welcome to expand on it. It's a good start. Nothing is compulsory. However, rhythm and routine will help you attune to the multidimensional reality of all being and allow it into your life. This is necessary to heal the wound of Atlantis, the wound of Atlantis of which Lord Maitreya has spoken. Many people still look down on other realms that are also at home here on Earth. You can see the effects of this wound every day in the news, or even in your own environment. It cannot go on like this for much longer. Everyone is required to change and learn what has been forgotten. A simple step is to create a puja, an honoring ceremony, in which you acknowledge creation and all that is, and learn what you can do to serve the rest of creation. We suggest that you create your own ceremony, that you don't necessarily stick to ceremonies that have been taught to you by someone at some time. we suggest that you go within and listen to your inner voice to find out what your own ceremony should be like, to prepare you for and tune into your life and work in a multidimensional reality. Only your soul knows what you need to prepare and strengthen yourself for life in the dense physical of Earth. You are consciousness, universal consciousness, in a body in the dense physical. This universal consciousness is here to create and do things and accomplish things. That's what your ceremony, your puja, prepares you for. Therefore, do it as often and as regularly as possible. If you like haptics, meaning you like the touch of things, do include things in your puja that anchor your intention in the dance. For example, lights, flowers, stones, feathers, whatever you like. Anything that means something to you. Touch things. Connect with them. Everything is alive and can help you. Your soul will guide you. What else do I mean by coordinating the skills you have acquired so far? A ceremony coordinates and gathers all that you are, all that you have accumulated on your path of becoming conscious. It focuses and centers your mission and yourself. It is a powerful act to gather all powers and forces. And I mean not only your powers, but also the powers of all who co-create with you, so that you co-create together, the way they did in the golden times of Atlantis. Your ceremony makes you ever present that you are not here alone to create and bring about results. As you have learned at Nama's University, you are here together with other realms that call Earth home. The divine plan is for all to work together. That's the plan of creation. Through a ceremony that you develop and create for yourself, you accept and embrace all powers available. Your powers are within you and around you. They are not limited to you alone, but also include those of the angels, devas, master teachers, all spirits. A ceremony should not be something you do automatically, just as praying should not be an automatism. Everything must come from the heart. Create everything from your heart, from your love. Where is the space where you create your puja, your ceremony? Do you go outside to a park or forest? Maybe you have your own garden or room. Involve the earth. Involve AMAYA. She's whom we all serve. Involve the Deva of humanity, Varanasya. What does she have to tell you? No, not all of you have much time for these things every day. Create a condensed concept for your ceremony. Eventually, it will only take one breath to connect with all of them. Set the intention and it will be so. And perhaps you create a longer ceremony, a more detailed ceremony when you have time, for example on weekends. Your universal consciousness connects you with all beings you're here to create with. One aspect of your ceremony might be, I am universal consciousness. Give this affirmation time to unfold. Relish it. Your puja is a tool. It creates an energetic place of power. It creates the possibility to interact with all that is. Please use this tool. Use it. Perhaps take your time this weekend to think about your ceremony. Sit down. Ask your soul for guidance on how to create it. It will change your life. Like all of our lectures, this one has the potential to profoundly alter the course of your life. Each of our lectures has the potential to be the lecture that takes you further along your path, that enlightens you. So, coordinating the substance of our previous lecture means that you create a ceremony in which you bring together everything you've learned so far. If you already have a ceremony, rethink it to design it from scratch anyway. Write down the individual steps. Take the script that Maitreya suggested you write for yourself. Your life as a spiritual being living the mission of their soul. And read it often, daily if possible. Do this from the heart. Don't do anything unconsciously. When ideas come to you, write them down. This is the intuition that speaks to you, that is, your spirit guides, your soul, and your body diva. Always have a notepad ready and write down immediately what you perceive, hear, or sense. I promise you, your life will change if you regularly perform a ceremony that coordinates everything you've learned at Namas University. Leave spiritual passivity behind and decide to become spiritually active. A ceremony, your personal puja, will help you accomplish this. You will be surprised at who will participate in your puja as you progress. You will create your sacred framework. Active spirituality is what the world needs now, and what is required of you when you are ready for it. If you think you don't hear your soul yet, this ceremony, your own ceremony, will teach you better. Do it. We are waiting for you. I bow to you. Thank you, YESHUA. Next week, Mother Mary will be delving into the topic of intuition in her inimitable way. I'm curious to see what she has in mind to help us move forward.